Welcome back. Please subscribe to this channel, The Globetrotter, to know when we post the next video. A fjord is a long, narrow inlet created by a glacier with steep sides or cliffs. An inlet is an indentation of the shoreline, usually long and narrow, and it creates an enclosed body of salt water, such as a bay or a lagoon. The important difference is that fjord is an inlet caused by the glacier. For a long boat ride in a fjord, you need to travel a lot. But why would you mind? The view along the way is simply breathtaking, so picturesque. Norway's coastline is about 29,000 kilometers including fjords, but only 2,500 kilometers if you were to exclude fjords. Most fjords are deeper than the adjacent sea, and Norway has about 1,200 such fjords. One such fjord, Sognefjord, has length of 204 kilometers and depth of 1,300 meters or 4,300 feet. The mountains then rise to 1,500 meters or about 5,000 feet. Thus, the total depth is 2,800 meters from the cliff top to the bottom of the fjord. I could click some great pictures, but it was foggy throughout the day. So the tourism department of Norway was kind enough to lend me the next few photos clicked in sunny weather. The next destination is Sweden, where we will watch the Midsummer Nights Festival on the longest day in the year. Please subscribe to this channel to know when I post that.